So someone is asking me some tips about the client interview. So first of all, congrats since nakaabot ka sa client interview. So all of the things that I will be sharing here is based on my experience kung paano ako nag-prepare sa mga client interviews ko. So the first one that I did is I researched about the company. Since ibibigay naman yung company name ng client mo, so research about that, check about the services that they offer. Yung about us nila, yung FAQs nila, dapat alamin mo talaga kung ano yung pinaka-business nila, ano yung mga services, ano yung mga products na uh, dinedeliver nila. Kasi one of the red flag talaga sa mga client interview is kapag tinanong ka about sa company and wala kang nasagot, it's a big red flag talaga. So, may na-experience na akong ganyan. Yung manager ko actually ni-reject yung isang applicant kasi tinanong siya about sa company and wala siyang naisagot. So, that is one of the pinaka-red flag kasi malalaman ni client na hindi ka interested sa company. So, before the client interview, research about this company and learn about the services and the products that they offer. Then, the second one is, reviewin mo yung job description. So, as much as possible, lagi mong i-highlight yung mga experiences, laging i-highlight yung mga skills na related sa job description na inilagay ni client. Like, ibida mo yung mga achievements mo related to that job description. And the third one is, lagi mong at the end of the interview, kapag tinanong ka ni client na, do you have any questions? At least prepare 1 to 2 questions for them just to make them feel na interesado ka talaga sila maka-work. Okay?